jotonw no lamsogo friends song phaidi singtini ni update rok nagi nai je Sofed ni bwkhak teki job notification oro jaga go kwbangma department ni sokpaijak tongo nirok je bo department o chajak bo haike naike nirok ni eligible criteria rok naigi apply khlagi manai jeng bono details ke kaha ke nai nai boni apply khaimani bo phro ni siming khlaimanai te bo post ni bo hairok jeng kisa nai nai amongka 6 month hai ke ba 11 month ni bagai contractual basis ke najangnai 20 January 2025 ni siming apply khlai manai je Tripura go tongui tongnai rok jotono apply khaigi manai contractual basis ke najangnai engke je first number o tongo driver HMB mane tabo nirokni heavy driving license tongha engke omono apply khaigi manai nirokni qualification 8 pass ongui tongha engke apply khai manai 5 year nirokni driving experience tongha engke janai haike omono apply khaigani bagai eligible angnai salary ingkha 17,000 40 years ora angke eligible angnai je age limit bo department angnai ingke Tripura Tourism Development Corporation Limited TTDCL o jaga thai o department o angnai second number o tongo driver LMB o jaga oke driving sudu ni normal driving license tongui tongnai rokbu or apply khlai manai 5 pass ongui tongnai rok nge apply khaigi manai je club qualification 5 year ni experience tongani nangnai haike eligible nangnai o post no apply khaigani bagai salary ingkha 15,500 salary per month rojaknai 40 years ora apply khaigani bagai age tongnai same department o nangnai Tripura Tourism Development Corporation Limited o engke friends oni rono kaisa request yono ma khaigo je channel o Kwtal ko subscribe khaijia ko tong hangke subscribe khaigai tong laidi ni rokom haike job notification rok mangai tongani bagai te ni ron friends ono je masuk share khailaidi support om haike rogoi tongdi ni ok sajake like khaigani ta polaidi engke te ni roni private job rok nai tugui tongkebu o channel bai jephro korengai tong laidi ni rok o channel em bising teine private job rok je kuno notification written exam ni notification rok je kuno notification daily update video te ni rok nugui manai je single notification tag romani no engke full notification om haikene nugui manai engke fadi te next nalifinai third number ni go driver LMB vacancy tongnai ST ni go khoroksa essential qualification 8 pass ngani nangnai je kono school haike ba board je kono recognize nongui tongha engke 5 pass ni go te nirokni driving license jeke phane tongani nangnai nirokni medical fit tongani nangnai driving vehicle omai gari chaloka rengani nangnai 4 bosorni experience tongani nangnai 12,500 salary tongnai per month 40,000 age ni kongke joto same na tongnai bo department ong nai kenai di TFDPC NTFP Center of Excellence o jaga thayo department ngai 4 number o tongo driver ni go total vacancy for 20 UR ni go 10 ST ni go 6 SC ni go 4 commercial driving license tongani nangnai haike eligible ngai amono apply khai ni bagai te 5 year ni rong ni experience tongani nangnai driving ni go je tabok chalogoi running cholai tongnai borok ke belai ke sanai tabok gari ni bemuro rojak tongo je tabok ni rong ni certificate experience tongi tonai rok ni bagai running latest vision ni go ke je tabok gari chalok mane Innova engke te Swift Desire omo hairok Artica bo hairok gari tabok chalogoi tong hangke ni rong ni peibu prefer rojanai engke salary 12,500 taka ke rojanai 40 years jora apply khlagi manai age ni go General Administration Secretariat Administration Department Secretariat Tripura o jaga tayo o department on nirokni omo department on nirokni posting rokbu klaini te kaisa nalifinai 5 ni go office assistant with computer knowledge o total 2 UR ni ko khoroksa ST ni ko khoroksa essential qualification ko graduate with at least diploma in computer application neroni DCA computer tongani nangnai graduate paimani loge te 3 bosor ni experience working experience tongani nangnai office assistant ni go engke belai ke chanai 16,000 per month 60,500 per month salary te 40 years ora ngai tongnai ro apply khai manai bos department ong nai kenai di Tripura Tourism Development Corporation Limited TTDCL o jaga thayo department o ngai 6 number o nalinai tourism executive sagarika paryatan niwas amarpur o jagani go je nai yuarni go khoroksa essential qualification ke the candidate must have knowledge about history of Tripura and Tripura tourism omhaini je Tripura ni kahini rok sigani nangnai history knowledge of speaking English Hindi and Bengali fluently kok sagamagani go kok samagani go ke English Hindi Bengali rok kahagene samaga nangnai je Amarpur area go tongui tongnai rong ke amno apply khaigani bagai belai ke sanai nirokni qualification graduating ga nangnai IT background from recognized college of or institute omo hayengi tongnai rong apply khlagi manai 15,000 per month salary 40 years or apply khai manai Tripura Tourism Development Corporation Limited TTDCL o jaga thai oro department o nai ge jengtak notification full ke nalai ne ani bagai jenga se kok bang sayagi nalai ne nirok skip khayagi nalai di bo post ni go tong te bo department ni go tong ni essential qualification eligible mani rok no nai apply khai manai te fee rok busuk nangnai bahai rok ba jeng nai lene 7 number ni go tongo assistant engineer you are ni khoroksa vacancy essential qualification the education qualification should be a degree diploma holder and application may be allowed from retired JE AE from government public sector nirokni qualification degree haika diploma holder ngai tongnai rokbo apply khai manai te retire ungjak ngai tongnai rokbo apply khai manai JE haika ba AE je government sector rogo haika public sector rogo ngai rokbo khlai manai nirokni qualification haika ba job khalai mani ya kagai pai mani rok experience engke minimum 10 years engka ni nangnai JE ni ko haika ba AE ni ko post ni ko je job khlai nirokni retire ungjak rok ngai tongnai rok the applicant may be physically fit and nirokni physical fit tongani nangnai te 40,000 per month salary 62 years ni saka ngai tong hangke omna apply khai me yakanai nirokni 62 ni tola age ngani nangnai bo department angke Tripura Tourism Development Corporation Limited TTDCL o department nangnai 8 number ni gongke library support administrator go khoroksa vacancy you are ni joto apply khai manai essential qualification master's degree library science library and information science documentation science and with at least 55% mark or an equivalent grade in a point scale nirokni master degree ngani nanai library science haika library and information science omo hairok ni go je subject tongnai rok apply khai manai experience ke 1 year experience library ni go tongani nangnai jekono university haika college ni go experience tongui tongnai rok per month salary 35,000 65 ni saka age 65 ni tola age ngani nangnai department ke je MBB university go ngai 9 number ni gongka post ni bumang account assistant you are ni khoroksa essential qualification bachelor degree in commerce ngani nangnai commerce ngai je graduation khlaijak ngai tongnai rok ngai apply khai manai working knowledge of computer application as evidence by a diploma certificate course from a recognized institution nirokni computer certificate tonggani nangnai haike apply khai manai te experience ke 2 years ni ko je experience chartered accountant firm or related omo hairok ni je account ni go nirokni 2 years ni experience je kono jaga thai rok khaijak ngai tongnai rok cashbook register omo hairok je kono PDS ni knowledge rok je GST ni deduction omo hai ni knowledge tongoi tongnai rok ke belai ke nirokni bagai janai prefer rok bo rojanai je experience tongoi tongnai rok ke per month salary 25,000 65 ni boys tola ngani nangnai MBB university go ngai department ge 10 number ni go personal assistant you are ni khoroksa essential qualification graduate in any discipline from a recognized university tabuni oni je kono graduation BA haika BSc BCom je kono graduation nagai porjak ngai tongnai rok o jaga go apply khai manai personal assistant o you are ni go khoroksa vacancy nangnai engkeni roni te computer ni typing speed minimum 50 word per minute ka rogani nangnai 50 word ni minute kaisa go 50 word ka rogani nangnai Bengali ni ko 30 word ka rogani nangnai haike te short hand rok tongui tong hangke belai ke janai short hand ni nirok knowledge tong hangke personal assistant ni gongke short hand ni jeke pane nangnai hingke te experience hingke retired person from any state central government je retire rok no hingke te bo prefer bo rojaknai nirokni short hand tong hangke bo prefer rojaknai 25,000 salary per month 65 ni tola angani nangnai age 18 years ni simik 65 ni tola angui tongnai rok age ni go angui tongnai rok hingke eligible nai MBB university go nangnai IT support 11 ni go hingke IT support assistant iwani khoroksa essential qualification hingke BTech je BTech angui tongnai rok apply khaigi manai qualification 2 years experience tabuni roni 2 year experience tong hangke nangnai je field software development MIS handling haini je experience tongui tongnai rok hingke belai ke janai 25,000 per month salary 45 year ni tola angani nangnai nirokni age 18 ni siming 45 year jora angui tongnai rok apply khai manai MBB university go nangnai te kaisa 12 number ni go hingke administrative assistant ni go UR ni go khoroksa essential qualification graduate in any discipline jekono jekono taboni rok BA haika BSc jekono nagai porejak graduation khlaijak angui tongnai rok apply khlaigi manai 20,000 per month salary 45 year ni tola angani nangnai age ni go MBB university ni go nangnai 30 number ni go hingke office assistant UR ni khoroksa nangnai jekono graduation khlaijak angui apply khlaigi manai 70,000 per month salary 45 year ni tola angani nangnai haike apply khaigi manai MBB university go nangnai experience 1 year tongani nangnai central haika state nirokni experience hi nirok wana thaikere nirok jotonw eligible nai apply khaigani bagai ani bagai jotonw apply khaigi manai 14 number ni go library support assistant you ni go khoroksa essential qualification bachelor degree engai ta library and information science bachelor of library science engai tongnai rok apply khaigi manai 17,000 per month salary 45 year ni tola angani nangnai age ni go MBB university ni go nangnai experience engka ni nangnai typing data entry operator or experience of working in library experience tongui tongkhe belai ke janai 15 number ni go administrative support staff you ni khoroksa essential qualification jekono graduate engke apply khaigi manai 1 year experience any state go central any state any institution jekono jaga go nirokni experience tongui tong hangke je administrative ni support staff ni bagai experience tongi tong hangke belai ke janai bongke nirokni experience kri phano apply to khai manai 16,000 per month salary 45 year ni tola angani nangnai age ni go MBB university ni go nangnai 16 number ni go hangke IT support staff you ni khoroksa BTech angani nangnai qualification computer science at least 2 years experience field software development ni go angani nangnai 47,600 per month salary 40 years ni tola angani nangnai age ni go department angka industries and commerce ongnai 17 ni go hangke senior technical officer monitoring evaluation and MIS you ni khoroksa MSc computer science MCA MSc geography natural resource management environmental science MSc forestry agriculture horticulture life science rural development and working knowledge of MIS the qualification match ngi tongnai apply khai manai mono 7 years ni experience tongani nanai field monitoring and evaluation including MIS in natural resource management and associate standard approach omo haini je ngi tongnai ro they prefer rojaknai 5 year je experience tongui tongnai rong no 75,000 per month salary 45 years ni boyos tongani nanai 45 years ni sakangke apply khemia khanai department angka department of forest office of the CEO and project director IGDC crab led project PMA or department ongnai 18 number ni gongke senior technical officer community and institutional development participatory planning and gender issues omo post ni bumang nirokni at least MSc Forestry, Environmental Science, Agriculture, Horticulture, MA or MSc Social Work, Social Science, Rural Development, Rural Management. The qualification subject match ngi tongnai rok apply khaimanai. At least 7 year ni experience tongani nangnai. 75,000 per month salary. 45 year ni age inge 45 years or age tongnai. Department inge Forest Department nangnai. Department of Forest Office of the CEO and Project Directorate IGDC Craplet Project PMA or Department nangnai. 19 number nego Senior Technical Officers SSBC SSCB Scientific Research and Capacity Building URNI Koroksa. Qualification MSc Forestry, Environmental Science, Agriculture, Horticulture, MA or MSc Social Work, Social Science, Rural Development, Rural Management. My subject going to apply 75,000 per month salary. 18 years ni 45 years or age ngani nanai. Department of Forest Office of the CEO and Project Directorate Director IGDC Craplet Project PMA or Department of Nai. Kwbangma notification tongo habana vacancy to kisa kom ne URNI habana jotonw ST rok apply khai manai. URNI gong ke jotonw apply khai mago ST SC OBC General jotonw apply khai mago URNI gong ke. The 20 number Senior Technical Officer Non-Timber Forest Produce and Marketing and Business Development URNI Koroksa. Qualification Postgraduate Degree in the Field Life Science, Forestry, Agriculture, Horticulture, Rural Development, Social Work, Rural Marketing. Subject ngi tongnai rok apply khaimanai. 75,000 per month salary. 18 years ni 45 years ora. Forest sekangote simbro nungma haini forest ni ko nangnai. Engke senga seng bono naleli experience rongno nali age seng post ni pungno simina nai thangla sinai dakti 21 number rong ke sini post ni bamang Senior Technical Officer GIS Global Information System koroksa UR ni ko tongnai. ME MTech IT MSc Computer Science MCA MSc Geography Neutral Research Management Environmental Science GIS MSc Forestry with GIS Specialization. The my qualification matching it on subject matching it on a apply 75,000 per month salary. 18 years and 45 years or Department in Forest Department on 22 number of Senior Finance and Producement Officer SFPU URNI Koroksa. Qualification CA MCom MBA Finance I have CA internship khlaijak ngi tongnai rok apply khlai manai. 75,000 per month salary. 18 years and 45 years or Department Forest Department nangnai. 23 number rongke Technical Officers Environmental and Social Safeguard ni URNI Koroksa. Post graduation ngani nangnai. Field ngke Environment, Social Science, Biodiversity, Conservation, Forestry, Community, Forestry and related. Agriculture, Horticulture, Rural Development, Management, Social Work, Social Science. The subject we don't apply 70,000 per month. 18 years and 45 years or Department Forest Department nongnai. 24 number onke Technical Officer Rural Development URNI Koroksangnai. Minimum Master Degree Agriculture, Horticulture, Forestry, Rural Development, Social Management, Social Science, Land Use Planning, Environment or other related field and related discipline. Is the subject we don't apply 70,000 per month. 18 years and 45 years or Forest Department on 25 number wrong Technical Officer Horticulture Forestry URNI Koroksa. Essential qualification postgraduate forestry nigo ngani nanai horticulture, agriculture, agroforestry, doctorate on forestry matter in prefer rojaknai. Je forestry rokni horticulture rokni no angke prefer rojaknai je o subject no tongi tonai rok. Experience 5 year experience je field nigo tongi tonai horticulture ni management, agroforestry je ngi tonai rok no angke 5 years ni teibo prefer rojaknai. 70,000 per month. 18 years and 45 years or Forest Department nangnai. 26 number angke technical officer ECU tourism and biodiversity total vacancy 2 jona UR ni khoroksa SD ni khoroksa post graduate degree ngani nangnai biodiversity conservation life science forestry environmental science agriculture horticulture tourism ecotourism omo haije subject ngoi tonai rok apply khaimane eligible ni bagai 70,000 per month 18 years and 45 years jora department ke forest department nangnai 27 number angke technical officer value chain development UR ni khoroksa SD ni khoroksa total 2 jona post graduation ngani nangnai field ngka je nirokni subject ngani inge business administration HRD forestry agriculture horticulture rural development social work with specialization in value chain analysis and marketing je om hai subject ngi tonai rok apply khai ki manai 70,000 per month 18 years and 45 years jara department ke forest department nangnai 28 ni ke finance officer FU total vacancy 3 UR ni 2 jona SD ni khoroknai khoroksa qualification CA MCom MBA finance CA inter PG diploma finance account ko subject ngi tongnai ro apply khai manai 45,000 per month 18 years and 45 years jara forest department nangnai 29 number angke technical assistant total vacancy 5 UR ni 3 SD ni 1 SC ni 1 qualification graduate nirok graduation science ni graduation khlaijak ngi tong hangke eligible ngai te engineering khlaijak ngi tongnai rogu apply khai manai 35,000 per month salary 18 years and seming 45 years or age ni go tongnai rog apply khai manai department ke forest department nangnai 30 number angke chief account officer UR ni khoroksa essential qualification member of the Institute of Chartered Accountant of India member of the Institute of Post and Work Account of India prefer proficiency inke computerized accounting system tally ERP je nirokni tally ni knowledge tongoi tongnai rok ke tei bujanai haike apply khai manai 80,000 per month salary 18 years ni siming 50 years ora ngoi tongnai rok apply khai manai forest department no nangnai boni bumangka department kha Tripura Forest Development and Plantation Corporation Limited o jaga thayong nai department minimum 3-year experience nironi permanent resident Tripura go tongi tongnai rok ke apply khai manai amon angke 31 angke accountant ni go yorni khoroksa essential qualification commerce graduation je kono university diploma computer application accountant software tally omo hai knowledge dong hangke be je nirokni tally ni software knowledge dong hangke be apply khai manai diploma computer ni nirokni certificate tongani nangnai graduation nirok klaimani commerce ngani nangnai minimum 4-year experience field related omo hai subject ni go je account ni go je kono private jaga phangha omo hai rogo account ni go knowledge tongnai rongke 4 bosor ni go knowledge tong hangke eligible nai te per month salary 39,518 rupees omo hai salary tongnai 18 years and seming 40 years ora forest department NTFP Center of Excellence Forest Department NTFP Center of Excellence or department nangnai 32 number angke city mission manager MIS and ME UR ni khoroksa qualification 2 years full time postgraduate diploma master in computer science MSc computer science MTech or BTech computer science or MCA from government recognized institute university 2 year ni full time ni nirong ni je post graduation klaimani nirong ni regular ngani na regular ro klaijak ngani nangnai 2 bosor ni haike eligible ngai o post no apply khagani bagai te master ni go be nirong ni computer science ngani nangnai MSc computer science ngani nangnai BTech computer science ngani nangnai MSc hai rok be apply khagi manai 27,500 per month salary, 18 years nicing 40 years ora. Department ka Mission Director Tripura Urban Livelihood Mission Santir Bazar MC o jaga aro department ngai. Tei buta kwbangma no engke जों bono kaisa ke tei bu nalipinai. Video belai long nai जों post ni no bumung kaisa no salaisinai aso qualification rok naiyaga kisi qualification kisa short ke nalisinai. 33 number rongka block resource person for RAM. Oro jaga go total 78 जों SD no kaisa nalainai 24 vacancy. Candidate must bachelor degree, reputed university or institute with a commendable academic track record, minimum 60% mark equivalent CGPA. Nirokni tabo qualification ka bachelor degree, reputed college, the university institute on umahai 60% jekuno fresh graduate ngai tongnai ro nirokni jekuno branch ni MSc haikaba BSc te BA jekuno graduation khlaimani pore amono master degree rokbo apply khaimani master degree ngai najak ngai tong hangke teibo prefer rojaknai engke experience ka 1 year ni siming 3 years ora experience tongoi tongnai MS ME omahai ni je minimum experience engke 1 year ni siming 3 years ngai tongnai rok engke belai ke chanai engke salary 38,355 rupees plus tongnai thangjanai hingjanai traveling ni bagai 2000 taka ke rojaknai 18 years ni siming 40 years ora department engke industries and commerce ongnai oro jaga go kwbangma vacancy rojak tongo te nirok tama-tamani knowledge tongani nangnai bo hairoknabo oro jaga go rojak kwbangma tongo communication skill, outstanding proficiency in word verbal and written communication in English, Bengali and local language with the capability to omahai jene noni cox hagani te suyani omahai ni knowledge rokbo oro jaga go rojak tongmani no omahai engani nangnai te marketing rok digital marketing bahaironi rokbo sigani nangnai dorkar nangnai e-commerce platform rokni gobo sigani nangnai engke te 34 number rongka office assistant yorni koroksa bachelor degree field jekono field ni DCA computer science DCA certificate tongoi tongnai rokbo apply khaimani jekono field ni nirokni BA haikaba BSc subject graduation khlaijak ngai tongnai rok apply khaimani 15,000 per month salary 18 years ni siming 40 years ora office of the deputy drug controller or department ongnai 35 number of data entry operator 2 vacancy SC1 ST1 qualification jekono taising ni hai BA jekono graduation khlaijak ngai tongnai rok apply khaimani 16,000 per month salary 18 years ni 40 years ora department ka office of the deputy drug controller or department ongnai 36 number on lab attendant total vacancy 2 SC1 ST1 12 pass ngai tongnai rok apply khaimani chemistry biology subject tongoi tongnai rok je science student ngai rok ke apply khaimani 12,000 per month salary 18 years and 40 years ora department same tongnai office of the deputy drug controller nangnai 37 number on insurance medical officer nigo your ST nigo korok sangnai MBBS Apollo T je ngai tongnai rok apply khaimani je Tripura ni borok nangani nangnai haike tebo prefer rojanai amhaino Kumarga ro area nigo je tongoi tongnai rok nongke prefer rojanai per month salary 55,000 18 years ni siming 70 years ora apply khaimani engke 38 number onke pharmacist yorni koroksa 12 pass ngani nangnai science nigo pharmacist diploma tongani nangnai degree hai diploma hai ka degree ni nirokni certificate tongani nangnai pharmacist nigo haike eligible nangnai 9,500 per month salary 18 years ni siming 65 years ora department inke office of the chief executive officer Tripura employees state insurance society or department ongnai 39 number onke auxiliary nurse midwife and ANM ST ni koroksa 12 pass ngani nangnai science ni go diploma GNM aika midwife course ngani nangnai noni GNM course tongani nangnai diploma taboni noni nursing khlaijak ngani nangnai inkete salary 9,500 salary 18 years and 65 years ora office department inka office of the chief executive officer Tripura employees state insurance society or department nangnai 40 number onke office assistant yoni koroksangnai 12 pass ngani nangnai computer ni knowledge tongani nangnai 1 year course najak ngani nangnai certificate diploma certificate tongani nangnai Tripura ni borok ngani nangnai kumargar area ni no onke tebe prefer hojangnai aya keba Tripura ni borok no onke prefer hojangnai 9,000 per month salary 9,500 salary 18 years and 40 years ora department same tongnai pion ni post ni go apply khaimanai yoni koroksa 12 pass ngani nangnai written writing hai keba kok sagani reading writing ngani nangnai je knowledge ni capacity go hage apply khaimanai pion ni go 7,000 per month nangnai 18 years and 40 years ora department same tongnai taising ni hai production assistant group C yoni koroksangnai essential qualification bachelor degree jekono graduation khlaijangi tongnai apply khaimanai 30,000 per month salary 18 years and 40 years ora information and culture affairs or department ongnai 43 number onke project assistant MED tech sector nigo BSc medical laboratory technology with at least 50% mark at least 3 years experience as project assistant in any of the state government department at least 3 years experience of working in any hospital or healthcare institute diploma certificate in computer application from any institute proficiency certificate in e-office implementation ingken adin roni BSc ngani nanai qualification medical laboratory technology with at least 50% mark ngani nangnai 3 year experience project ni je office project ni go assistant ni go samang khlaijak ni tongnai rongke 3 year ni go je state ni government haikeba jekono jaga rogo private ni go phanung khang 3 year ni experience tongoi tongnai rongke tei bisanai hospital logo te healthcare rogo 3 year ni experience samang khaimani experience to hangke janai computer certificate tongani nangnai haike teibo om haike janai 30,000 per month salary 18 years ni siming 38 years ora boyos tongnai Tripura institution for transformation under GA department or department ongnai nge term and condition onke selection ro bahe khlaijanai jengbono full details kana lepinai the selected candidate who will be appointed on purely contractual basis for a term of 6 or 11 months and may be extended on performance and requirement of the respective department agency project ingken aidi je selection khlaijangmani pore nirokno pure contractual basis ke najangnai 6 month haikeba 11 month ni bagai najangnai omono nirokni performance ni bisingtei samang kaha khlaimani bisingtei teibo bare roi rojangnai olo extend rokbo khlaijangnai the selected candidate should come under an agreement as per the norm with the Sofed engken no jero job ma bai mani poraibo nirokno agreement khaige brok ronai asok ni bagai hi te nirokno boma haike selection of khlaijanai or jaga nai the candidate should be selected through written examination or interview on purely merit basis as per norm je Sofed ni rule tongba haikene interview te written exam rokbo najangnai nge jongbono nayage belai lela ha time belai थांला हायनि बागै जों बनो फैसा नायलायसिनाय driver ni go joto post ni go no apply khainai rok ni 236 rupees nirok payment ma khlainai application fee direct bro ni bank account no ma rohornai 236 rupees google pay tei phano rohori mangge te upi tei phano niro account number soigi ma rohornai bro ni account number ro nirok ma rohornai o jaga ifsc code te account number account ni tabo bun rok bumung suya ning hangge bom haike suine ingke naidi society for entrepreneurship development om haike ma suine bumung ni gongke te account number ni gongke bro ni account number 1507200104 3166 oro account no mar honai te IFSC code ingke PUNB 0150720 oro o IFSC code suigi nirok Google Pay ti klaimani pore bono nirok save khagi naragdi ulo samung nangnai ulo nirok office o submit ma khlainai ani bagai nirok online khaimani no print out nagai tonglai tongdi je payment fee receipt copy no ake proof ni bagai bu tongari nangnai te nirok submit bu ma khlainai omono apply khagani bagai bani last date ingka nirok 20 January 2025 ni siming 31st January 2025 jora apply khagi manai online tei nirok ni je application submit khlaimaya incomplete dok tong hangke reject khlai rojanai haini bagai nirok kahangke form fill up khlaiyani try khailaidi te nirok jodi form fill up khaigani confuse ngoi tong hangke ani number rojak tongo nirok video description o naidi number nagai nirok ano whatsapp tei text khaigibo nirok online form fill up ni bagai khlai manai je dugan rok khlaima haikene khlai manai nogo tongoine nirok document whatsapp tei send khaigi rohorke nirok ani bukhak tei khlai manai ke nirok friends ono je masa share khalai friends ono haikene support rogoi tonglai di nirok daily no haike update mangai tongani bagai channel by jephro krengai tonglai di support rogodi ke nirok ko haikene daily update mangai tongnai nirok like khaimani bisingte ani bekhara busrangge nirok no daily no haike update roi tongani bagai etini update asungne snai nirok next update magani bagai channel by krengai tongdi tini update asungne snai jotonw hambai।